replace me for some people.
I think we give her the receipt just in case it gets
Yeah, that's good. Where's the receipt?
What did you scream? I have another pen here. No.
For what?
Yeah, I think it's because it's wet.
No, I think it's because it's wet.
Oh.
Yeah. They're just all excited. Sorry. There it goes. Very good.
Yeah.
I know
You guys are all excited for a bit.
I know. Mako, stop.
You might want to wash them too.
Oh yeah, I will. I will. I gotta get some
Yeah, I'll see you guys. You have 10 cents? Bye. You guys be safe over there, okay?
I'll be back up.